Hey everyone! Today I'm taking a quick look at the Qrnt smart ring from Wearable, and honestly, it's one of those wearables that surprised me in a few good and not so good ways. First off, the biggest win here is the price structure. There's no subscription at all, which instantly puts it ahead of something like the Oura Ring for budget-conscious users. You get sleep tracking, heart rate, HRV, SpO2, skin temperature, and even cycle tracking, all in a tiny 2.5 to 3 gram ring that you barely notice day to day. Battery life is solid too, lasting up to about a week, and I actually liked the included silicone covers for extra protection and style. But it's not perfect. Step counts and workout tracking can be a bit inconsistent compared to something like an Apple Watch, and the app, while clean, doesn't really offer deep coaching or insights. So here's the verdict. If you want simple, subscription-free wellness tracking and better sleep awareness, it's a solid pick. But if you're serious about fitness accuracy, this probably isn't your main device.